making moves are going to present the BHC model for Nestle. Nestle is a multinational food and drink process conglomerate. It is the world's largest company in the field. It is a wide range of products from baby food to coffee. It serves millions of customers. This is a key partnership of Nestle. Key partnership, there are three special categories: supply relationship, retail relationship, corporate alliance. In supply relationship, Nestle collaborates with various suppliers to give their products to their particular customers. In a retail partnership, strategic partnership with the retail sales enable Nestle to reach the worldwide relationship among their customers. Corporate alliances, these are partnership with other corporations help Nestle to expand their company. Channels, how they reach the customer by giving advertisement, by promoting their brand, they can reach their customers. Next, we will see the market segment of Nestle. There, they segmenting their market by identifying the target customer who they reach in the market to sell their product.
licensing and franchising, investment and acquisitions. The primary level the product sales food and beverage products, licensing and franchising franchising for retail outlets. Investment and acquisitions complementary business, manufacturing, marketing and advertising, distribution, research and development, operational cost.